Hi everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic, what is it that your person secretly desires? Maybe you want to know what is it that he feels in his heart with respect to this connection. Let's just find out in this reading. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a chunky rose quartz, and this is pile B, which is a black tourmaline. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, there's also the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, pile A and pile B, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the rose quartz right here, possibly you're somebody who's all heart. You're somebody who's quite emotional and creative. Perhaps some of you may also be dealing with a person, or you may yourself be somebody who is closed off when it comes to relationships. Let's just keep this aside for now and find out what's in store for you. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Eight of Swords. I think this person definitely has a huge corner for you. Maybe he is battling, or he is undecided about this connection. Possibly he wants to reach out to you, or he wants to reconnect with you in case there's a distance in this relationship. I think this card is clearly asking the two of you to reconnect. Besides, you're not going to be dejected. Possibly there's also the dark energy which is surrounding this relationship, because you see this lady, she's surrounded by swords. So there is something which is hindering this relationship, or is an obstacle in the path. I think spiritual cleansing or aura cleansing could do a world of good for the two of you. Besides, I think I did outline earlier in this reading that your heart chakra could be closed off. So that is why I think it's imperative for the two of you to reach out, to reconnect with each other. The next card in this reading is the Five of Cups. Like I said, you're grappling with emotions here. So possibly this person could get a tad emotional. Maybe he is not getting what he desires, so that is why he is in mourning. This lady has her hands to her face. She's covering her face. Possibly she doesn't want to face the consequences, or possibly she doesn't want to face the world. Or I think your person is also wanting you to accept God plans. Maybe this relationship is also affected on account of outside influences. Like I said, there could be dark energy, or perhaps this person also fears prying eyes. Definitely this person also wants to exchange love notes and phone calls with you. I think in case you're already in a relationship, there could be a heated exchange with this person. There could be an angry exchange of words, that is. Maybe there are times when he or she feels you're quite demanding. Sometimes you may feel as though you're doing your best, or that you're attentive to this person's need, but yet this person seems to think otherwise. Your respective health concerns could also affect this relationship. Possibly, somebody around you could also be unwell. Maybe it's time not to walk away from this connection. Rather, you need to give this relationship a chance. I'm more affected than you know. Definitely, this person is deeply affected on account of his actions. Like I said, he or she could be hiding his face from the world. At times, this person could also be in mourning. Finally, it's also possible that on the surface everything looks good, but then when one scratches deeper, when we understand the pain that this person is going through, maybe he's also regretting his past actions here. You still hold a piece of my heart. Whatever the outcome, this person has a huge corner for you. Another card in this reading is Runner and Chaser. Perhaps the intensity of this connection or this relationship could scare the two of you, or either of you. Maybe this connection hit the two of you like a bolt from the blue. It happened very quickly, or the two of you had connected very quickly. Nevertheless, I think this is a very deeply spiritual connection. Even if there's a rift in this relationship, or even if there's a distance, I think this separation or this physical distance is necessary for the two of you to grow, or to understand the intensity of this relationship. Maybe you all had to heal individually and separately so that this reconnection can take place. time apart also makes us quite mature. Besides, time is the biggest healer here. The last card in this reading is soulmate. Like I said, there's a deep spiritual connection here. I think the two of you share a deep and natural affinity with each other. You understand each other. You are in sync with each other's thoughts. In all likelihood, this person sees you as a romantic soulmate. Besides, this card confirms that this person knows that the two of you share a deep mystical connection. The two of you have been brought together to complete your soul contract with each other. There's a sense of comfort and familiarity that he knows he cannot get with any other person. The runner and chaser card here and this soulmate card definitely means that you have the chance to explore passion together. Whatever it may be, I think Pile, the two of you have incarnated with the plan of coming together for spiritual and personal growth. I hope Pile you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the black tourmaline right here, I think there is some kind of healing which is necessary for your highest good or for this relationship's highest good. Possibly there could also be some blockages that you need to deal with. I think the black tourmaline could be the right crystal for the two of you or for this relationship. Let's just keep this aside and find out what your person secretly desires from you. The first card in your reading is the Hermit card. Possibly you or this person could be a loner here. Oftentimes, this person could also be gripped by nostalgia. Definitely he sees you as marriage material. Definitely he knows that he is observing you from afar. I think there's also mental compatibility in this relationship, which is bringing in intimacy in this connection. The next card in this reading is the Knight of Pentacles. But for this relationship to move forward, either of you has to make that move. Maybe this person finds comfort in being alone. I think he or she could also be in denial. Sometimes, you may feel as though this person is not making it explicit what is his innermost desires with respect to this connection. It's quite possible he could skirt the issue with respect to commitment. Maybe he is also thinking that he has responsibilities towards his family. That is why he doesn't want this relationship to go the distance. It could be that one of you is making the effort. At times, this person could be crestfallen because you're not reciprocating that much. The next card in this reading is I'm sorry that I couldn't do right by you. Possibly this person realizes that he hasn't acted like a gentleman, and he knows that it's a price he has to pay in case he has to stay all by himself, or in case he has to be that bachelor. In his heart, he could be quite remorseful over the things that have been said and done. He needs time alone to introspect, to understand what is it that he desires from you or from this connection. I miss the feel of you next to me. Sometimes, this person also wants a physical connection with you. He yearns for that chemistry which was there between the two of you. He wants to feel you. He wants to hold you close like this couple here. He wants that bond with you. Nevertheless, we also have this card, Gone, Disappeared. Perhaps it's possible that you are out of sight or you're far removed from his world. Maybe a fading memory or a fading image. This person could be sitting and contemplating about this relationship. I think this card seems to corroborate what has been said earlier. This person is certainly somebody who is in hermit mode, who wants to be in his cave. He finds comfort in that solitude. The last card in this reading is Unrequited Love. Maybe there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Maybe it's more like a cat and mouse chase here, where one partner is continually retreating and disappearing, like this card here, Gone, Disappeared. I think this person knows, or even you know in your heart, that you deserve to be in a relationship where there's mutual appreciation and attraction, rather than somebody who is in denial about this connection. though there seems to be a spiritual connection as well. I think there are blockages which is preventing the two of you from being one in this lifetime. I hope you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.